One.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Lake Travis Library staff's rain songs. We're going to start out today by making some rain. And the first thing you do, you can do it at home too. You can do it with us. Some of you will do it. Some of us are going to do it at start, and then we're going to follow. But the first thing you do is you rub your hands together, and then you rub them together faster, slower, harder, and then you start snapping your fingers slow, and then making them louder and faster, and then eventually it's really pouring, and you bang on your arms, and then it slows down, and then it slows some more, and then eventually it just tapers off. So follow along with us. We're going to see how it goes. You ready, guys? Okay, here we go.